Hello guys, I'll be showing you in this video how to unstake your staked crypto and how you can claim your rewards, your daily reward from the staking pool. So if you want to know how this works, stick to this video till the end. What up guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel Urban Time, where we make review on money making applications and websites just to bring you guys the best, nothing but the best. So if today is your first time on my YouTube channel, go ahead, smash the subscribe button, click on the bell sign so you get notified once I upload a brand new update. Okay, quickly in this video I'm just going to be showing you how you can unstake your crypto. After staking your crypto for some days, some weeks, some, I don't know, for how long as you want, and you are about to unstake it so you can unfrozen your crypto and start using it once again. So I did a video on how to stake it, and that was how I staked this 466. So it's been 3 days I did this, so I just want to unstake it now from here, and as you can see, my rewards, let me go back, my rewards are here. Here, this is it. So you can always claim these rewards every 24 hours if you wish, but if you like, you can just leave it and come back and claim it whenever you want. So now all you need to do is you click here. We are here to unfrozen our crypto. Okay, so let's quickly claim the rewards first. Claim here. Now you can see this is my reward for the past 2 days, the past 3 days, from the amount I staked. So you need to understand also that this amount is not, it depends on the amount of Tron you staked. You understand? It depends on the amount of Tron you staked, you will get it. You can see my reward have been taken, and now it is available here. So now this is what is available in the wallet, because here is still frozen. I haven't unfrozen the 466 Tron that is here. So now let me quickly unfrozen that for you to see. Okay, now we click on unstake, click max, so it's gonna be everything. Yes, then continue. It's definitely gonna ask you to confirm, continue, then wait here, put your code. All right, now click here. You'll see, hold on and see, it's gonna be unfrozen. Okay, let me quickly freshen the page and see. Yes, okay, it's done. You can see there's nothing here anymore. This place is empty, so it's already done. It's the network that is making it a bit slow right now. Let's see. Okay, you can see now it is available. My Tron is now available for transfer. There's no more staking, nothing there, nothing is frozen anymore. So my Tron is available for transfer. So that is just how you can unstake your crypto from on the Trust wallet. So I did a video on how to stake. You can go ahead, click on the link in the description, or you click on the right top of your screen right now. The video will be popping up. You click it and check it out and watch. So if you like what I just showed you, give this video a thumbs up, and click on the bell sign to, once you subscribe, you click on the bell sign to get notifications of more updates like this. So I'll see you again guys in the next video. Bye.